family vlogs. So for today's video, we're gonna do something new. So for today, we'll be unboxing and painting this beautiful, cute fairy girl. And if you're wondering, we did not buy this. This was gifted to me on Christmas. It's so cute. It's ARTherapy. It is 30x 40 centimeters and it's for kids. And there is some cute painting supplies there. So let's unbox it. Let's open it. So I think there's already a hole. So let's just... Oh wow! This is like opening a Christmas present. Oh my! Whoa! Canvas. It's so cute, and here is the one that we're gonna do. So it's this cute fairy baby girl with it's combing its hair, which is so adorable. So we're just gonna put it in the floor so I can see it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get our supplies. So here is our supplies. So of course we need a paintbrush, paint, water, and you can also need a tissue too. So let's start with. Okay, so we're just gonna do. And I think I really want to do the flowers first. So let's open this paint. We can open it. So here is our beautiful red. Down camera. So here's our beautiful red, and it's so creamy. Look at that red. Look at that red. So beautiful. So we're gonna do the rose. So I'm kind of scared, but yeah, let's go. Ooh, it's nice. What is... Whoa. So we're here on the floor because I realized that it was so hard to paint on canvas with the little stool. So I just decided to go down. So look at that. And if you see like my other videos, I painted a cow, I think. Like the other one, but it's like a mini cute canvas, and I don't know where it is now, but this is so fun actually. Oh, this is a little stain. Oh, it's fine. So here it is. My mom taught me how to do the painting brush because it wasn't covering so well, so I just decided to do the tap technique. I think we need a little more, just a little.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
A nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
Something deep inside